have done same. Write a Python program to perform. See, okay.
Yes, sir.
Shift. Can you record my session?
Yeah, it's already started, sir.
Okay. 1 second. 1 second. I'll also try sometime. Maybe your system may get power goes off. Safe side. Okay. So what we are doing in this program, write a Python program to perform Armstrong number. Armstrong number is a number that is the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits. So first what we are doing, function to check Armstrong number. My screen is visible, Ramchand?
Yes, sir.
So I'm defining the function is Armstrong number. So under that we are writing change number to string and it gets length number of digits comment. So sum initially 0. Then num 153 we are assigning to temp. Then len str of num 153 it can read the how many number 153 it gives the length 3. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that 3 will be stored in the num length. Then it is checking the condition while temp already assigned number 153, you know.
Yes, sir.
153 is greater than 0, condition true. So next statement comes come to here 153 modulo division by 10, remainder 3 will come, you know,
Yes, sir.
like sum plus sum. This is a shortcut form. What is the meaning of this one? Sum equal to sum plus. It is a shortcut. Sum plus equal to digit square root of num length. What is the num length? 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So 3 to the power of 3 plus. Then again 153 floor. This gives a reminder. You know, 153 division by 10. You can call it. You will get 15. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again it will go 15 greater than 0. Then here 15 modular division by 10. Reminder will come 5. 5 to the power of 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Already 3 power 3 plus. Now 5 power 3 plus. Next again 1 division by 10. 1 reminder. 1 greater than 0. Condition true. 1 modular division by 10. So 1 will come. So 1 cube. So 3 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 plus 1 cube. The total will come 153 again. If num exactly equal to sum, yes. We got sum 153 and the number we have taken 153. So if the condition is satisfied, then it returns true. Then it won't go here. So it will return here if Armstrong number num 153 print num is an Armstrong number. Otherwise it will return it is not Armstrong number. Okay, see,
Okay, sir.
now I am executing this same program. Not this one. Yeah, Python space. Okay, Armstrong number. So 153 I am giving. See, 153 is an Armstrong number.
Yes,
But
sir.
why in your case it is not coming?
Let me
Can I
share.
share this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm sharing this program. 1 second. In your WhatsApp, can I say share?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can verify same program. 1 second, Ramchand. Now you can open with Notepad, no problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now today, now you can execute that program. Can you share your screen
Yes, sir.
so that
I'm sharing, sir. I'm sharing already. Can you check?
yeah, I'm checking. Yes, it is coming. Yeah. Now you open your command prompt notepad, paste this program, check whether previous program you remove it, no problem. Same program yesterday, maybe indentation problem somewhere else.
But sir,
Yesterday,
actually, if it is an indentation, then it could have shown error, no sir. It may not show the wrong output, no sir.
yes, that is that is true, that is true.
Hmm.
Okay, let me check, no problem.
Hello.
Now tell me where your program is running. You can take, no,
Hmm.
you I have shared in the WhatsApp.
So can
Same program.
can I remove this program, sir?
Yes, remove it, control A, delete.
Okay.
Then open my program, control A, paste it here, no problem. Otherwise, you can open my program directly.
I'll do one thing, sir. I'll just create one more.
Uh,
I will just
one,
say,
one. Armstrong one, no problem. Yes. Now, yes. Open, then open in what? CLS, clear the screen. Armstrong one.py. CLS, Python space. Same logic, just now I have explained, same 153.
yeah, correct.
Maybe later you can check out. I will explain remaining concepts.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
No problem. I'm sharing my screen. Resume presenting. Share now. Okay. Uh, Let me explain today new concepts. Because number of programs are there, but we need to learn the concepts. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that we can practice more. Are you recording the session?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, not this one. Okay, now why it is coming like this? Okay, yeah. So, in Python programming, Ramchan,
Yes, sir.
last class onwards, what we are discussing? We are discussing about various concepts of Python programming. Okay. Once
Yes.
again, we will see what we have covered so far. In Python programming, built-in language features, we have covered variables, data types, basic mathematical operations, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes and objects, Python collections, arrays, sets, tuples, list, dictionaries, loops, file operations, exceptions. And we haven't seen so far a standard library so far. We will see after completion of all the programs once again in Python. So these are the standard libraries for advanced Python programming. We are discussing all these libraries. Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries are presented. And standard libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, NLTK, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. NumPy for numeric Python, we are calculating all the numerics of numerical problems. Then scientific Python is SciPy is nothing but scientific calculations we are solving. Pandas is used for data set description and manipulation purpose. Scikit-learn for machine learning classification clustering purpose. Matplotlib for visualization purpose, graphs generation. Natural language toolkit NLTK for conversion of one language to another language, one program, one voice to another voice. Like that, we are conversion. We are using NLTK, natural language study of different languages. Then TensorFlow for AI, big data, machine learning application purpose we are using. Keras also like deep neural networks, artificial intelligence, big data purpose, we are using Keras, and PyTorch for machine learning applications for salvation. Then how to write coding, we are using ideally scripting way. Then one more way of executing Google Colab. Jupyter Notebook is a editor where we are writing code. PyCharm also one of the IDLE. IDLE stands for Integration Development Learning Environment. And scripting way, we are writing our own code in order to perform any type of logical programs. To clear in console in Windows version, we are using import os dot system of CLS for Windows. In command prompt ideally, we are clearing the screen. Then control plus L for Linux or Mac OS. This is the syllabus we have discussed already. And overview of Python, here we are covering a pandas and matplotlib library. Basic syntax and data structures we are going to discuss. Data import and manipulation. Here we are using pandas library, and data cleaning and pre-processing techniques, what are there, we are discussing. Then subsetting and merging data sets we are using. Data visualization, introduction to matplotlib and Seaborn for creating visualizations we are using. Creating basic plots like scatter plots, bar plot, histograms, etc. Customizing plot aesthetics and themes we are discussing. So in statistical analysis, we are using descriptive statistics with pandas, inferential statistics using SciPy. I have explained already scientific Python. We are using statistical operations like t-test, ANOVA, analysis of variance is called ANOVA, regression analysis, interpreting results and drawing conclusions. Then advanced topics like working with large data sets efficiently, introduction to machine learning in Python with scikit-learn, introduction to deep learning in Python with Keras and TensorFlow, case studies like groundwater data analysis using AI, ML and DL techniques, climate change data analysis using AI, ML and DL techniques, wastewater plant data analysis using AI, ML and DL techniques. Then I have already explained Python programming is developed by Guido van Rossum. He is from Netherlands, 1980, and it is a successor of ABC programming. Python can be executed in two ways, like IDLE, integration development learning environment, and scripting way, where we are writing our own code and we are compiling and executing, and finally we are deploying the program. Python data types are integer, string, float, double, etc. Python collections like arrays, lists, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. Python supports mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, floor, and square root. Okay, exponentiation we used to call it as. So Python has two types of comments, like a single line comments and multi-line comments. For single line comments, we are using hash. For multi-line comments, we are using triple quotes. Python supports loop statements like for and while statements. Python is a case sensitive programming language because in our keyboard, there is a difference between capital A and small a. That's why it is called case sensitive programming language. Python is a popular language because it is having a rich number of libraries or packages or API, application programming interface. Python latest software version right now we are using 3.13.2. Python keywords cannot be used as identifier or variable name, like if you cannot use as a variable. Okay, if is a keyword, actually keywords are reserved words, you cannot use it as a identifier or variable name. Python must start with a letter or an underscore. Python must contain only letters, digits, and underscores. Data types are two types in Python: mutable data types, immutable data types. Mutable data types are changeable. Examples like list, set, dictionary, byte array. Immutable, not changeable. Examples are integer, float, byte, string, tuples, frozen set, etc. Python as a versatile and a powerful language widely used in various fields such as data science, artificial intelligence, big data applications, IoT, and blockchain technology, web development, and automation. Pandas, which is a commonly used for data manipulation and analysis, and Matplotlib is a library, a powerful plotting library for creating visualizations like graphs we are creating. An overview of Python includes its versatile capabilities along with the popular libraries such as Pandas for data manipulation and Matplotlib for data visualization, etc. So variables, Python variables are why we are using variables to store data values and do not require explicit declaration. That's why variable is a varying value at a runtime duration. We have a number of variable types like static variables, dynamic variables, automatic variables, register variables, external variables. Okay, Ramchan?
Yes, sir.
Data types are, I have explained, it supports various data types such as integers, float, strings, list, tuples, and dictionaries. Basic mathematical operations like Python provides arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Operator precedence explains Python up follows PEMDAS. PEMDAS is nothing but a parenthesis and exponentiation, and M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction, rules for evaluating expression. Then a string operation. String is a collection of characters ended with the double quotes. String manipulation using functions like dot upper, parenthesis begin, parenthesis close, dot lower, dot replace, and slicing. Then functions. Function is a set of rules to perform specific task. Python functions are defined using the def keyword and can have parameters and return values. Conditional statements are if, elif, and else statements. The Python supports decision making statements like if, elif, and else statements. Classes and objects. Python is an object oriented programming language and it allowing the creation of reusable classes and objects. Then Python collections we have seen already. Arrays or powerful Python collection. It is used to store multiple values in a single variable. Int a of 10. A is an array name, 10 is a number, and 10 numbers you can store. Implemented using the array module of NumPy, we are using library. Sets. A set is a Python collection. It is an unordered collection of unique elements defined using flower brace, curly braces. And set, sometimes it is uses parenthesis also. Tuples are Python collections are immutable sequences, meaning their values cannot be changed after assignment or defined using parentheses. List is a Python collection. It is a mutable ordered sequence of elements in Python defined using square brackets. Dictionaries is a Python collection. Dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs defined using flower brace with the key value pairs separated by colons. We have executed programs also. Then control flow is nothing but we have loops, file operations, and exceptions. So in Python provides for is a loop statement for iteration purpose we are using, and while loop to iterate over sequence or execute a block of code multiple times. Then the next topic is a file operations. Python allows reading and writing files using built-in functions like open, read, and write, etc. Exceptions are Python uses try except blocks to handle errors and prevent program caches. Then standard libraries we have seen NumPy, Numeric Python, SciPy, Scientific Python, Pandas for data set description, NumPy for arrays calculation purpose, numerical calculations, etc. SciPy for scientific operations and linear algebra, etc. Pandas for data description, for data set manipulation, and we are creating data frames and series. Scikit-learn for machine learning library that includes we are solving classification, regression, clustering, outlier detection, association, rule mining, and recommender engine, etc. Then we are going for matplotlib for generating different types of graphs like plots, histogram, bar chart, pie chart, scatter plot, other graphs. NLTK for natural language toolkit. It provides tools for processing and analyzing human language data, like study of different languages, linguistics, etc. TensorFlow is an open source deep learning framework developed by Google for training neural networks, etc. Keras is for high level neural networks application programming interface running on top of TensorFlow, designed for fast experimentation. Then PyTorch, it is one of the famous library to solve machine and deep learning framework widely used in artificial intelligence research and applications. How to write code in Python? We have a number of ways, like Google Colab, we are executing the programs. That is a cloud-based Google Colab is a cloud-based platform, Jupyter Notebook environment that allows users to run Python code without local setup. That is provided by the Google company, Google Colab. Jupyter Notebook provides an interactive coding environment for data science and visualization tasks. PyCharm is a popular integrated development environment that is IDLE for Python development, offering debugging and automation tools, etc. Then IDLE stands for Integration Development Learning Environment. It provides a lightweight interface for writing and executing Python scripts. Scripting way, we are writing Python scripts can be written in .py files and executed from the command line using Python file name .py. So far we have executed. Clearing the console for Windows, we are using os system of CLS. Okay, import OS followed by os system of CLS. Linux or Mac OS, the console can be cleared using the keyboard shortcut Control plus L. So Python programming, last class, if anything missed, I am going to cover today. Built-in language features like variables, it is used to store information to be referenced and manipulated in a program. X is a variable, we are assigning 10. So now if you type X value, it will print up 10. If you ask type means it print integer. And if you ask ID of X means it will print address location where it is stored in the memory structure. Then Y is equal to, within the double quotation, hello. That is a string, Ramchan?
Yes, sir.
It is a string, collection of characters enclosed with the double quotation. Data types are integer, example 5, float 5.0, strings hello, and Boolean true or false. Then basic mathematical operations plus addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor. 2 slashes is called floor. Then you can ask doubt. What is the difference between floor and modulo division? Ramchand, do you have any idea?
When I say floor, it will give the remainder value. If it is a value with, let's say 3.5, the 0.5 will be eliminated, and it will,
Very.
yeah. When it is
And what
modulo,
about remainder? Modular division.
modulo will give me the remainder.
Correct. And star star, what is the meaning of star star?
Exponential. Let's say 2 star star 3 will be 8.
2 power 3. Perfect answer. Then operator precedence, determine the order in which multiple operations are performed. String operations, like common operations, we are performing string concatenation, we are adding the true strings. Then string repetition, we are performing that operation. Slicing, we are cutting the string. Hello plus word, that is called concatenation. Hello multiplied by 3, it is a repetition. Then Python has two membership operators like in and not in. These operators are used to test if a value is a member of sequence or collection, such as a list, tuple, or set. The in operator returns true if the left operand is a member of the right operand and false otherwise. Example, my underscore list we have executed, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 in my list, immediately it says true. 5 in my list, false, because 5 is not in the list. So the not in operator returns true if the left operand is not a member of the right operand and false otherwise. For example, my underscore tuple equal to within the parenthesis apple, banana, orange. So these are the collection of elements within the parenthesis. We can call it as a tuple. It is immutable, Ramchand, once you declare.
Sorry, sir.
It is a immutable. Can you justify the answer?
Immutable in the sense.
Once we declare, we cannot change the values.
Yes, sir.
Then banana not in my tuple, immediately it says banana, it is there in the tuple list. Tuple, then it returns false. Grape not in my tuple, yes, grape is not a item of a tuple, true. Then Python has two identity operators like is and is not. These operators are used to compare the memory locations of two objects. For that purpose, we are using identity operator. You know, ID of X, ID of Y. We have tried Ramchand.
Yes, sir.
Last
It gives us the location, isn't it?
address of the particular value of X or Y something. So that's why identity operators are used to compare the memory locations of two objects. Keep in mind, I'll ask you this question to check whether they refer to the same object or not. The is operator returns true if the two operands refer to the same object and false otherwise. For example, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, y is equal to 1, 2, 3, z is equal to x. X value we are assigned to z, z is y. Then immediately it says false. Then x is z, then it returns true. Then the is not operator returns true if the two operands do not refer to the same object and false otherwise. So A is equal to hello, B is equal to word. A is not B, yes, true. Then you are assigning A value to the C. C become hello. A is not C, false. Then function block last class we have executed. Name is Dr. Asadi. We are defining function is a set of blocks, set of statements to perform specific task. Def is a keyword, greet is a function, name is a variable. So in the variable we have assigned Dr. Asadi. The syntax is return hello plus name. It returns. Then you are calling the function greet of name. Immediately it returns Dr. Asadi.
Sir, a question, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay, in the third line, there is something called hello plus name, isn't it, sir?
Yes, plus name.
So when I say return, hello, Dr. Asadi will be returned to the name variable, which is declared in the first line, isn't it, sir?
Yeah, correct. Greet, yeah, correct.
Okay, and then the greet has a
We are
name.
calling the function.
Yeah.
This is way of for calling the function.
Okay.
Greet of name.
So it will be greet of hello, Dr. Asadi, and when we are calling in the last line, it will print.
Yes, yes. Hello, Dr. Asadi, it will print.
Okay, sir.
सब्जी नहीं डाला
doubt
Ramchan. Then conditional statements if, elif and else. So x is equal 10. If x greater than 10 colon print greater elif x exactly equal 10 print equal else then print smaller. This is the conditional statements. Then what is meant by class and object? So classes and objects are object-oriented programming features. A class defines attributes and behaviors. Class is a collection of objects. Attributes and behavior is called class. Now my class name is a dog. See now, dog, D is a capital letter colon, def is a keyword, bark is a function, self is a, you can call it as a constructor. Print woof. So this is way of declaring class. Okay. Then the Python collections, we have seen arrays, fixed size collection. Because arrays are fixed size. In Python, we generally use list instead. Sets unordered collection with no duplicate elements.
Sir,
Tuples,
sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, please ask me.
Class, name of the class is dog, and then we are
Yeah,
defining a function,
function.
and we have
Bar.
something inside self, isn't it, sir? Which
Yes, yes,
is
that is constructor. Automatically it will call.
okay, okay.
It will
So,
call automatically to print woof. That's all, nothing else.
okay, sir. Okay,
We will execute. We will execute.
okay, sir.
Tuples are immutable ordered collection. List mutable ordered collection. Dictionaries collection of key value pairs. Then write a Python. This program you have done already. People is a variable. We have declared within the square brackets Dr. Asadi, Jose Jenkins. Print people means
It
entire
will,
thing it will print.
yeah, it will print all
Ah,
the
okay.
values.
Yes, all the list, all the collection of items it will print. Print people of zero means which value will print, which
Dr.
value will print.
Asadi, Dr.
The
Asadi,
first.
Dr. Asadi.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it will print Dr. Asadi, and in the first that is zeroth location, and that's all. Next you can see print people of one means next location. Print,
Yep.
print people of two means next location likewise. Write a Python program to print list. This list equal to square bracket begin class date time. It will print all the three items. Then write a Python program to perform tuples. This tuple equal to blue, red, green. We have print already this one. It will print all the items. Write a Python program to print sets. This set consists of three items within the flower brace. Print this set means it will print all the three items. Write a Python program to print dictionaries. This dict is a variable name. Name colon Charles, name 1 colon Jackson, name 2 colon Dr. Asadi. Print this dict means it will print all the items of the key value pairs. Ramchand,
Yes, sir.
here key value pair you can remember. Then the loop statements are for and while statements, and file operations like open, read, write, and close files. Suppose one example with open, parenthesis begin, file name ramchand.txt. In the txt text file, you can write any program that is in R mode as a file. Content equal to file.read. You can read the file, entire file. You can print also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will do this program at the end of the Python program. Then exceptions are special concepts in Python. It handles errors in Python, like exceptions occurring at runtime duration. Suppose divided by zero error, zero exception, like Python with try except finally we are solving the problems. Then coding platforms I have explained already, Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook. It is provided by the Google. It allows for Python code execution in cells alongside with the market down nodes. PyCharm, it is an integrated development environment for Python by JetBrains, ideally integrated development and learning environment. Then standard libraries are there. NumPy for numeric Python for arrays calculation, matrices, etc. Scientific Python for building on top of NumPy. It's used for high level computation. Scientific Python. Pandas for data analysis library, scikit-learn for machine learning library, matplotlib for plotting and visualization, NLTK for natural language toolkit for linguistic data analysis, TensorFlow, Keras libraries for deep learning, PyTorch for another library for deep learning from Facebook's AI research laboratory. PyTorch developed by Facebook company actually. Then scripting way we are writing program .py we are using. Then clearing the console we are using import os of cls. For Linux and Mac OS we are using Control L. Then why we are using Python, Ramchan? Easy to learn. Is it true? Yes.
Yes.
Easy to main.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt so far?
No, no, sir. Clear.
Then easy syntax is syntax is not a difficulty, but while performing in ideally, you need to remember indentation. That is the only problem. Remaining syntax is very easy. Bulk library, yes. and it supports many technologies like AI, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, etc. Database commercial support. Python provides interfaces to all major COM database. For that purpose, we are using Python programming. It is interpreted means it translates source code into mission code. You know, Ramchan, source code means you are writing English as a text. It converts into mission code means ones and zeros. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then interactive, because ideally we are using that is interactive with the interpreter directly to write your program, because x is equal to 10. Immediately you are asking what is x. It is giving value. That is called interactive mode.
Okay, sir.
Then high level. Python is a high level programming language because it uses English as a language. It is designed to be easier for humans to read. That's why it is a high level language. It is object oriented programming language because it supports all the classes and objects, inheritance, polymorphism, exception handling, etc. And we are solving real time applications. Then what are the features of Python programming? Easy to learn and readable language, interpreted language, dynamic. See, any doubt if you are having, ask me. So dynamically typed language, yes, we are solved yesterday a few programs in dynamic mode, you know,
Sorry,
static
what
and
is
dynamic.
what is interpreted, sir? Interpreted.
Interpreted means, see, the program you are writing in English language text, okay, then it is converted into mission code, interpreted.
Okay, okay,
So that is called interpreted language.
okay.
Okay,
Yes,
dynamically typed means dynamically you are taking input from the keyboard, you know.
yes, sir.
Yesterday you have done static and dynamic typed language. Open source and free. Python is a open source. It is a free. Everywhere, wherever you want to download, and you can add your own patches to the existing software, that is called open source. And a large standard library, large community support means everybody can contribute. Platform independent means you can execute in Windows, you can execute in Mac OS, you can execute in Linux, etc. It supports graphical user interface also. Python features like easy to write, easy to understand, object oriented, robust standard libraries, supports various programming paradigms, supports for interactive mode, dynamically typed and type checking, and databases and graphical user interface programming language, extensible language because it supports inheritance concept, portable, you can run in any platform, okay, and scalable, the size also increases, and integrated, it can support different file formats, automatic garbage collection is there, free and open source is there. Any doubt in this one, Ramchan?
Clear, sir.
So Python keywords are many keywords are there, like value keywords are there. Those are the true, false, none. None, whenever you are using capital N must be there. Value keywords, wherever you are using true, capital T must be there. That is a rule you need to learn. False, capital F must be there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Operator keywords like and, or, not, in, is. These are the operator keywords. You need to use small letters only. Control flow keywords like if, elif, else. Iterator keywords for, while, break, continue, else. Structure keywords def, okay, class, with, as, pass, lambda, etc. Returning keywords return, yield, etc. Import keywords import, space, from, comma, as, etc. These are the various Python keywords. So Python is so popular programming language that is widely used for developing a wide range of applications, from web development to scientific computing. So here is an example of simple Python program that prints hello world to the console. Print hello world. If you are directly, it can print. If you are assigning to the variable like name, name is a variable equal to input of what is your name. That is yesterday we have seen. Okay, int of, input of, like that. If you want to read string like this, you can write. Okay,
Yes,
Ramchan.
yes, sir.
Okay, then print hello plus name plus exclamatory symbol, no problem. Create a dictionary. How to create a dictionary? Based on the key value pair. Person is a variable, name is a key and assigned with John value. Age is a key assigned with 30. City is a key, value is New York. Like that, you can execute. It will print uh, John age New York. John age New York, like that. Retrieve values from the dictionary, like print person of name, it will print John. Print person of age, it will print 30. Print person of city, it will print New York. So theory part I will cover, and later we'll start practicals. So Python operators are 7 types, like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators. These are the various types of operators. And operator precedence example have see, like addition operator, lower precedence, higher precedence. So the order might be presented in a table that I will explain. 10 plus 20 multiplied by 30. So star having highest precedence, first it will execute. 20 multiplied by 30, like BODMAS bracket, like PEDMA something I have given. Okay. So 60 plus 10, 70. Like that it will execute. So operator precedence follows the execution of a mathematical operation. In Python is similar to the order used in conventional mathematical, same. Then in maths, here are the 3 general operator precedence priority levels we are using. Exponents and roots having highest priority. Then multiplication, division and modulo division. Then addition and subtraction. Keep in mind, at least, Ramchan,
Yes, sir.
these three. The short form of operator precedence is BODMAS. BODMAS is nothing but first within the parenthesis brackets, then order, then division, then multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, highest precedence here brackets, then lowest precedence subtraction. Keep in
Sir,
mind.
orders. What is orders, sir? Orders.
Orders means like star
Okay.
and plus.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that order we need to take. Okay, that table is there. I will show you and explain. Then operator precedence, like see, exponential first highest precedence, then followed by the negation symbol x plus x minus x, these having highest precedence. Then star multiplication, division, modular division, floor, then plus minus, then exactly equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, less than, greater than, is not, is not, not. This is the way of operator precedence in Python programming by using BODMAS. Bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Keep in mind. Can you expand BODMAS, Ramchan?
Brackets, order,
Ah,
division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
perfect, perfect. So variable, I have explained already. Variable varying value at runtime duration. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
variables are fundamental concept in Python programming. Variables are containers for storing data values, temporarily store data in a computer's memory. So variable a equal to 10 means create variable name equal to some name, multiple assignment, like you can do a equal to b equal to c equal to 1. That means each variable value is 1. Then a, b, c, d equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. Now a is 1, b is 2, c is 3, d equal to 4. Like this. Okay, keep in
Yes,
mind the
yes,
differentiation.
yes, sir.
And casting means we are converting integer to float, float to integer. X is equal to str of 10, 1, 0. Y is equal to float of 1, 0. That is called type casting. Okay. Then get the data type x is equal to 10. Print type of x means it is integer. Type of x means. Then standard and data type. It is a data type, integer. Data types are numeric data type, like integer equal to a is equal to 10. Float a equal to 10.5. Complex a equal to 1 plus 2 2j. That is a complex numeric data type. Then sequence is a data type, like a string. How do we can declare name equal to Philip within the double quotation. List profile, like within the square bracket, Philip 26 Pantech, etc. Tuple equal to profile within the parenthesis Philip 26 Pantech. Then set is a my set equal to within the flower brace apple, banana, cherry. Dictionary dixt based on the key value pair. Name equal to Philip, age equal to 26 and qualification. Boolean true or false. T and F must be capital letters. Then Python basic data types. From here onwards, we will solve the programs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, Boolean is nothing but it is a data type, is a true value, either true or false. The Boolean operators order priority like not x, x and y, and x or y. It follows like that. These comparison operators evaluated true, 1 less than 2 and 0 less than or equal to 1 and 3 greater than 2 and 2 greater than or equal to 2, like it returns true. So now how to execute the Boolean operators, right side. Can you open your screen?
Okay, sir. I'll share my screen.
Yeah, please share your screen. So I'm joining with my my mobile also. Please allow me
Okay,
so
sir.
that I'm checking parallelly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now share your screen. Yes. Yes. Now, first CLS, clear the screen. Now, you have to execute like this. First Boolean algebra. X comma y
One minute, sir.
equal to true comma false. X. Now type Python. You are coming to ideal. Just enter. Yes. Here clear the screen. Import os dot system of CLS. Perfect. Now you can write here hash boolean. Okay, no problem. No, don't write if and all. Why?
Okay. I
X
was just
comma
writing to.
y.
Okay,
We
sir.
are
Sorry.
solving a boolean operation. X comma y equal to true comma false. Whenever you are writing true, capital T must be there. True comma false. You give a small f, it will throw error. You can check. Okay, first type. Okay, enter. Now do enter. Now check the x value. X enter. Y enter. Now repeat that step again. X comma y equal to true comma false. Now anyone you can use small letter. What type of
The
error it
false is
throws?
not
See now,
defined yet.
read the error.
No. Yes, sir.
Because it is a keyword, Boolean function keyword.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
you understood Boolean operators, how it is working? Now, next one, print, parenthesis begin, X
Ampersand, sir.
space and, not, no, just A and, not space Y, parenthesis close. Why it is written true? Because X
Okay.
value you have already assigned true.
False.
Y value you have assigned false.
Okay.
Previous interaction it will continue. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute. Just because
So
we
next
say not
statement,
not y, it's
print.
not printing false, is it?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what. One more example we will check
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Print parenthesis begin. Print parenthesis begin. Not space X. Not correct. X space and A and space Y space R space X. parenthesis close. Now it returns true.
Okay, sir.
Why?
1 minute. Let me think and
Press enter.
understand. We are saying not x, so x is already there,
Yeah.
and y or x. Just because we have or, it will print a true.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay.
Correct. So next, if condition evaluates to false.
Sorry, sir. I will say
Some
import
examples
OS
are
to
there.
clear the screen, sir.
What happened? No problem, no problem. So then we are going for arithmetic operations. You have done already all the arithmetic operations. Once again, if you
We
want
can
to do, no problem.
proceed,
Can
sir,
we
the next
perform?
examples.
Yes. Okay. Next, indexing and
Yes, sir.
slicing. Can we do now indexing and slicing?
I will write the heading,
Yeah,
sir.
S
I
is
will write the
equal
heading,
to,
sir.
write down. Small s equal.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Okay.
S is equal to,
Okay.
double quotes begin. The youngest pope was 11 years old. Write down that statement. The youngest pope was 11 years old within the double quotation. Yes, perfect. Enter. Now type S. Enter. Now write down print. Parenthesis begin S of 0. S of means square bracket. Sorry, 1 minute. S of means square bracket 0, square bracket close, parenthesis
The very
close.
first character
Yes,
in the
enter.
sentence is located
Why
at
it printed T?
S of 0,
Can you
so T is
explain?
printed.
Oh, very good. Next, same way, print parenthesis begin S of square, print of S of square bracket begin 1 colon 3.
So now,
1 colon 3
now
square bracket
already,
close, parenthesis close.
T is in 0, so
Now,
1 will
think.
be H E space. H E space will be printing. Yeah.
Very good,
Yes.
very good, very good. HE, it will print. Perfect answer. Next question. Print, parenthesis begin, S of square root, square bracket begin, minus 3 colon, minus 1. Square bracket close,
Okay,
parenthesis close. Now you have to tell me the answer. Think over. So I'll give you hint. From right side onwards, it starts minus 1. Okay. So 0, 0, right
Okay,
side
so
minus
0
0,
minus 1.
minus
Minus 1
1,
is L.
like that it will start.
So from L, from L, minus 2 is 0, minus 3 is the space.
Correct.
So LO, I believe. Okay, sir.
Very good. Now, next print. Parenthesis begin S of means square root, square bracket, minus 3 colon.
So
Simple. Minus 3 colon, square bracket close,
minus 3 is
parenthesis
actually the
close.
space. Minus 3 is actually the
Now
space.
what it will print? Tell me.
Uh,
How many letters?
okay.
Yes, correct. Remaining letters it will print. So it will start
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
L O O L D. It will print. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
You
Yes.
understood now how slicing is working, indexing how it is working. Perfect.
Okay, sir.
Next question. X is equal to
Okay.
S dot split, parenthesis begin, parenthesis close. X is equal to S dot
Split the sentence.
split, parenthesis begin. What is that meaning? First try to understand. It
Okay.
string array of words. Okay, S means string array of words. Okay, just enter. Now type X.
Oh, okay.
Enter.
Every word in the sentence is being splitted.
So what it printed? Ah, perfect.
Okay.
That is the reason
Yes, sir.
it creates a string array of words. Are you understanding? Split. How
Yeah,
split function is working, Ramchan? S dot. S already string is there. Entire statement is there. The youngest
okay.
pope was 11-year-old.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 11 years. Next question. Can you try next question? Print. Print of x of square bracket minus 3 square bracket close minus 3 square bracket close plus double quotes begin space double quotes closes, then plus space x of means square bracket begin minus 1 square bracket close, then plus space square bracket, I mean parents, I mean double quotes begin space double quote closes plus space x of 2 x of x square bracket 2 square bracket 2 closes space plus within the double quotation yes double no not s cap general s letter s yes.
Okay,
Now
so
what you are
minus
expecting,
3 in
think
the
over
sense,
parenthesis close.
as we know already, minus 3 is old, space, minus 1. Minus 1 is D.
ah ah
Oh, the split.
because
Okay.
here you need to take split.
So
We
can I
have done
say,
already split
okay.
in the above example continuation. Above example continuation. That
Sir,
means
1 minute.
11
Can I
where it is
say
there? 11
x of
years
0 will
old.
be the,
In
x
the
of 1 will be youngest, x of
uh,
2 will be people, x of 3 will be was,
correct,
like that it goes. When I say minus 3,
correct,
can I say
correct. Think
old is minus 3 and
yes,
minus 1 is 11
yes,
and x of 2 is Pope.
correct, correct,
Yeah,
correct. Very good.
yes.
Enter.
Okay.
See,
Yes, sir.
11 old people above in the above statement it came. Actually, okay. So this is the way we are working on indexing and slicing. Then most
No, sir, I have
important
to go to the
string
department.
methods.
Sorry.
Can we perform string operations now? Oh,
Sir, actually,
sorry.
my
This time is
college starts at
I'm not
1 o'clock
understanding your
in
timing.
the
Tell me now.
afternoon. It goes up to 10 in the night. So, in between, I will get
Okay.
1 hour break. In that 1 hour break, I'm coming. Yeah, because being in the college, I can sit anywhere else in the lab.
Oh,
But if
sorry.
people see, I'm,
Okay.
learning something during the working hours, they will, yeah. So that's why I come to home for 1 hour break, take your class, and then go
No, that
again.
is not. Yeah, that is
Okay, sir. Now I have to go to
okay.
the
No
department,
problem.
sir. The time is
Okay.
over.
Now no problem.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
How many classes are there? Okay.